So the first step you want to do is you want to get your oil and your tools ready, and then after you get that, you want to drain the oil, take the oil filter off, and then once you do that, you want to put the plug back in, put the oil filter back on, well, a new oil filter, put your new oil in, cap it off, test the oil levels, you should be good to go.
Been all quiet like. That's it. We're gonna have to do some video editing because I just jumped the Tiger camera.
We go from doing concrete to changing oil. How redneck is that? I hate my filter. It's hard to even get a wrench up in there.
Where's it at? Hold on, I'll pause this once.
You can pause it right now because it takes a suck.
Turn about 3 full turns, so and then let it drain. It won't come off quite yet. More. Yeah.
Hey, at least I know my yoke's gonna be lubed. But the frame's not bad for it being a 97 and how many miles she's got on it.
It's just the body.
Except for this, the lower control arm's a little.
Ooh, that one's not too bad though.
No, it's not too bad. I've seen worse. I've replaced worse.
Yeah, you take her off now. It'll pop out, but I mean it's not gonna. Diesel power gain just posted a photo. Trying to keep this thing as straight as possible, but it's not going to be the best.
That's right.
Why don't you just use like a wrench?
Because I stripped it out once.
With the wrench?
Yeah.
So you're scared? But don't tighten it that bad.
No, it's just I couldn't. Dad was driving me up a wall and I couldn't figure out the right wrench.
It's 15, 17 actually.
No, it's smaller.
Is it?
Yep.
Most of these take 17.
I'm about a 15. I'm in between a 15 and a 16.
Well, it's either going to be a 15 or a 17. That's enough tightening during